All 2017 Bred Modoc High Mountain Zippers video 3. Or a clip of whatever, because I don't know how long it's going to last. Ooh, look at that. Making it rain in the neighborhood. You know what's up. That's why there's so much clouds. Because they're fixing to make it rain up here. This is the couple. Good off. Get up there and break yourselves, fools. Need a fire extinguisher out here. Oh. There. Come on. Not too shabby. All 2017 Bred Modoc High Mountain Zipper yearlings. Or fixing to be yearlings. Most of them are. They're just real shy of it, but yeah, there's a couple not committing in there. But they don't always do that, so they're still working that kit chemistry, but there's 28 birds in there, so the ones that don't commit will be B-team birds. That red right there is a bad motor scooter, buddy. Look at that one. Dark checks for my flashover birds. A little sluggish on that one. Oh, don't do it behind the trees, guys. They usually like to play with the wind, but there's really no wind right now, so when they usually turn around, they're looking for that current that pushes them up that normally comes through in the evening time around this time of this evening, and they just don't have it, so now they're just kind of going around and see they're not on the wing or nothing, they're just going all over. But I can tell they're looking for that little bit of breeze that they like to play on. Yeah, they're looking for their breeze to play with, and there is none right now. Ooh, that rooster's chasing some hens around here right now. Look at him. So I'm gonna get it. Look at him. Look at it. Oh, he got it. Oh, it's on. Woo! It got it getting heated up here. It's springtime, the birds are on, the roosters are on. Oh, snap! I almost forgot to tell you guys. Guess what? I got my first hatch of 2018 off my old almond cock. I'm really pumped about it. So far I gotta check the other eggs right here and the other individuals, but in the open loft, I got babies hatching. So I'm pretty pumped, guys. First baby of the season. I bet you I hope it's gonna be an almond, because it's out of a pair that really produced some sweet almonds for me last year, and I can't wait to see some more of them out of there. So anyways, y'all have a wonderful day where you're at. You saw the gist of what's going on up here with these Modoc High Mountain zippers. They are rocking and rolling up here in the Modoc High Mountains, and I wish you all a wonderful day. Clear skies, BOP free, and May you all have a wonderful evening with your family. Peace. It's hard to turn it off when they're doing stuff like this. You know, it might not be big breaks, but there's some individuals and they're showing their style. Some of them are just being floppy over there. Yeah, they're like, no wind today. Could be getting close to wanting to come in too. See what I can do. See which one they come back around. Oh, pull that bird out. Let me see what I do when they come back around. See what I'm gonna trigger them. I'm gonna trigger them, guys. I'm gonna trigger them. Yeah, what's up, guys? That's what it is. They're getting ready to come in. They've been flying a bit, so I can only record when they're close. So let's see how they do it today. Easy now. Let me open up this door over here. Easy, easy, easy now. Easy. Easy, easy, easy. Easy now. Let me go ahead and grab this feed real quick, yo. Just grab the can over here real quick so you guys can see what's up. Easy, 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 easy. Easy now. Easy now. Easy, easy, easy. Come on now. Come on now. Let's go. Let's get in there now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, guys. Got a couple out here wanting to be hooking around. Got that little red there. They'll settle down and get in there. Hold on. Here we go. Easy, easy, easy. Easy now. Here we go. Come on. Come on. That's how you guys do it. They get one more scoop. For 28 birds, I'm giving them 2 cups. 2 level cups of feed. Alright, guys. It's going to be a hell of an upload on this one. You have a wonderful day. Stay flying where you're at. And may your skies be BOB free. Peace.